Ay! Happy Halloween and welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed and today we're making a very simple but very delicious severed mummied fingers. These are simply chicken wieners that are wrapped in some puff pastry. They're drizzled over with some blood and they're baked in an oven. They're super easy to make and they look stunning to serve at a Halloween party. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. These are so easy to make. I'm going to start with some chicken wieners. Cut the wiener in half and using a small paring knife, just carve out the nail. I'm going to make simple incisions for the knuckles. I just angle my knife one way and then the other. The ridge that it creates looks realistic, but it also creates the perfect crevice to hold the spicy blood later. And let's take a closer look. I have roughly a 200-gram sheet of puff pastry here. I bought this frozen and I just defrosted it according to the package instructions. Using my paring knife, I'm going to cut strips out of the puff pastry and I'm going to start to wrap these around the fingers. Don't cover too much of the finger and any leftover scraps can just be joined together later. You also want to make sure that your wieners are nice and dry so the pastry can hold onto them. The wieners sitting at the bottom have gotten damp, so I'm going to make sure to dry them out really carefully with a kitchen towel before wrapping it with the puff pastry. Once these are done, I'm going to line them on a baking sheet and these are ready for the oven. I have some egg whites here. I just separated the whites of 2 eggs and using a paintbrush, I'm just going to brush the nail area just so it appears a little bit lighter than the rest of the finger. Once that's done, I'm going to squirt in a 1/4 cup of Sriracha sauce. Sriracha is going to give the fingers a nice spicy kick. And if you're serving kids and you don't want it quite as spicy, you can use ketchup instead, or you could even do a combo of ketchup and Sriracha sauce. Mix this well and paint over all of the fingers. Once these are done, I'm going to stick these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry is nice and golden brown. These severed fingers are so fun to eat and perfect served in a bowl of Sriracha blood. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for severed mummied fingers, and they are so easy to make. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings, and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. Be sure to follow me on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Halloween. Bye. I look like a pirate.